Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So y'all, I received an email from this company by the name of Betty Cora, and they asked whether or not they could send me over some of their full cover gel nails to review. Y'all, I thought they was gonna only send over one, but look at all of this stuff that they sent over, y'all. They sent over some major goodies. So this first thing that I am unboxing is going to be, hold on, let me see, make sure that I tell y'all the right stuff. So the first thing that I'm unboxing is going to be the top coat in the nail glue gel, y'all. I kind of figured they was gonna send this over because of course if you send over the full cover tips, you gotta send me over the glue to put it on with. And y'all, they also sent over two of their jelly nail polishes, and the first is this pink jelly color. It's like a baby pink color, and then this milky white color. Y'all know milky white nails are, all the rage right now, so I was happy that I received these two colors, very neutral. And then they sent over this rhinestone glue. It mimics the Macart rhinestone glue. I haven't got the Macart yet, so once I get it, I'll let you guys know. And they also sent over this solid nail glue gel. And y'all, this is my first time seeing this product. I've seen it on YouTube. I've seen other YouTubers that are in the nail game use it, but this is my first time using it. And let's get into all of the soft gel tips that they sent over. So this is the extra short coffin. I love me a good coffin nail, y'all. And so when I saw they sent over the extra short, I was like, okay, this is perfect for every day, the working girl. Gotta do it up like that. And then of course they sent over the short nails. You can never go wrong with a classic short square nail or a short almond, and that's what these are. And y'all, I'm getting more into my almond bag, so I was happy that they sent these over. And now these are extra short almond, but in my opinion they mimic the short almond that I just showed you guys, but these are the matte ones, so they're fully etched. And then I was surprised at these big boxes. I was like, what's in these big boxes, y'all? They sent over the long stiletto. And when I say these nails are long, these stiletto nails are long. I think these are the longest nails that I've personally put onto my finger. So when I put these on, y'all, we gonna have to come and do a video on those. And then my favorite, which is the medium square, it kind of puts you in a mindset of like a medium long, if that makes sense, because in my opinion this isn't too medium, because it still gives you that nice amount of length, but for somebody who's not used to wearing nails, it would be a little long. So here is the setup, y'all. I decided to go with the extra short coffin. I don't know why my doggone camera decided to act all wonky, but I went with the extra short coffin, and I picked out all my sizes already, sized my nails. I have them right here on this little dish. And y'all, I'm gonna be getting into this solid nail glue gel, because this is my first time using it and I want to get up into it. I want to see what this is about. And of course, I'm sitting up there touching it, just trying to see what's it all about. And it kind of puts you in the mindset of Play-Doh. Like, you just scoop some out and you put it on the nail, then you put the nail on your nail. I don't know why I'm describing it like that, y'all, but you could see exactly how it is that I'm doing this process. And I noticed that using the solid nail glue gel, I like this because you virtually get no air bubbles. Now, one thing I will tell you, y'all, that solid nail glue gel, it did burn a little bit, y'all. I didn't put this on camera, but I did take my nail out and tap it a few times because it was a little burn. I don't know if that's maybe because I didn't fully soak my last set off. I kind of soaked them, and then once I was ready, I just said boom, popped them off. But it did, give me a little stinking sensation. So I feel like I've been talking enough, y'all. And I feel like everything now that I'm going to be doing is pretty much self-explanatory. So I am going to kick back, let y'all relax, and watch the rest of the video. Now, using that solid glue gel, I didn't have as much spillage as I normally have when I'm using the liquid glue gel, so I didn't have too much to file off, but I did use my drill to file off what needed to be filed off, and I also sealed my cuticles. Now that we have our nails down and buffed out, it's time for the good stuff. And I decided that I wanted to get into this milky white. At first I was gonna do the baby pink, but then I said no, let me get into the milky white. Let me see what that's all about, because like I said, I don't know if where y'all are the milky white is, you know, like the big thing to do, but where I am, the milky white seems like it's more so of, you know, the in thing. So I said, let me go ahead and try out this milky white jelly polish. I do want to pop in and say that you are going to have to put on 3 coats of this polish in order to get that true milky color. So don't think that this is one of the polishes where you're just going to put on that one swipe and you're going to be good and you're going to get that milky shade. I would suggest you putting on 3 coats in order to get that white milky shade that is popular right now and that most people have. I was gonna keep my nails simple, just do the milky white shade, but I'm not a simple type of girl. So I'm going to add some bling. So I'm using this rhinestone glue gel in order to put on my bling. And this bling is some bling that I think I actually got this bling from Shein. Let me tell you something. Shein, they got all the rhinestones, all the nail bling at an affordable price. So if you sleeping on Shein when it come down to getting your nail supplies, stop. So I did use that nail rhinestone glue gel in order to put these jewels on. I'm not going to do each nail like how I normally do, but I am going to do a little razzle dazzle on that ring finger. And here is the completed look, you guys. On each ring finger of each hand, I did do a different bling design because y'all know I'm extra and because I wanted to. These Betty Cora full cover gel nails, y'all, they are the truth. Each shape that they sent over is perfectly sculpted. The only time that I had to pull out my file to shape these nails up was after I put on the gel polish, because you know gel polish does make your nails a little bit bulky, but that's the only time that I had to actually shape these nails up. Other than that, the shape on these nails are immaculate. I will put all the information down in the description box below so you guys can get these. I want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me?